Thank you all so much for showing up and helping create the Boxes of Hope. After all of the hard work that we've done, we're finally happy to see everything come together. Your time and your kindness will truly help positively impact the lives of children in foster care, and we just want to say we really appreciate all of you guys for all of your help and all of your support. Come along to see day one of Boxes of Hope.
Hi, I'm Kendra Scott with Reach Northwest Every Child Polk and Yamhill, and Every Child is a nonprofit. It's a statewide initiative, but I am personally the program manager of the Polk County affiliate. And we are a nonprofit that helps support children and families that have been impacted by the foster system. Um, this initiative with Boxes of Hope is really special, and we're extremely excited about it. We are going to hopefully use these boxes for an extra Christmas goodie to hand out to the families. I just love the idea of hope through the holiday season. It's very special.
My name's Corey Cowart, and I'm the professor for a FYS course called Habits of Happiness. And we've been exploring all year the positive psychology around why people are happy. And one of the major findings that we have unearthed together as we researched this topic is that actually um, doing acts of kindness for other people helps the individuals who do the acts of kindness feel a sense of wellness and a sense of contentment and a sense of happiness. So as we're exploring like what that means, what are the habits that make people happy, this was just a great opportunity where the university was already reaching out and thinking about how to serve these foster kids who are in need and need some encouragement, need some support. And so I thought it would be a great opportunity for us to join in and put into practice what we've been researching about happiness. So I'm really glad that we got to come down here and build some boxes of hope.
So, Wolfie, what does Boxes of Hope mean to you? Interesting. So, what Wolfie said is he said that it helps elevate the community and it gives gifts to kids in difficult times. He said the more you help volunteer, the better this community becomes.
I hope the kid who gets my box feels that at least there's one person in their life that will do something out of the kindness of their heart for them if they don't have that. And for me, I like that opportunity to do that for someone.
When I talk to students at Western who have been in foster care, almost every one of them has a story about someone who made a difference in their lives. And sometimes that story is about just getting a note or a care package or a gift, just like these boxes of hope that are being made here today. And for that kid at that moment, sometimes it's just what they need to know that things are going to get better.
Boxes of Hope is an event that student engagement and student media have put on. We partnered up with Every Child and Reach Northwest to put on this event for students to volunteer for. And we also worked with all these other different partners. This is for the volunteers to read, and it's has just statistical data from the Oregon Department of Human Services. WU students are able to make a difference for foster children. The hope with this box is that the children feel that they belong, they have something that's theirs. Most foster children don't have something that's theirs because they're moving around a lot. When you start asking yourself, who can I help? There's a change in the way that you think. This isn't something that's forced. It's a natural way of giving back and that people matter. In helping others, you discover more of your own potential and who you are as a person. Thank you for everyone that helped for Boxes of Hope.
Two students who signed up for Boxes of Hope were also randomly selected to win a $250 tuition-based scholarship presented by WU Student Media. Student engagement and student media is so incredibly excited to have organized the Boxes of Hope. This has been a true campus-wide initiative, only made possible to the help of many departments, students, and volunteers. We had an amazing response with 178 students signed up, which means that there will be 178 care boxes going to Polk and Yamhill counties for foster kids. Over the past 2 days, students have come in to create care boxes filled with essential items for kids in foster care. It also includes some artwork that the kids made at the Child Development Center, as well as a quote card from Veterans Resource Center, and they can also include a personal note. At this event, the Center for Professional Pathways also supplied students with valuable guidance on how to translate this volunteer experience onto their resume. We are so excited to have brought such a meaningful event to the students at Western Oregon University, as well as benefit the kids in our community. Thank you so much to everyone who helped bring this event to life.